New cash advance apps in 2026 are competing by changing how people access short-term money. But the most important differences are still fees, eligibility rules, transfer options, and repayment terms. By the end, you'll know what to check when comparing newer cash advance apps and how to decide if a new app is worth trying. The first thing to understand is that a newer cash advance app is not automatically better. A newer name may offer a cleaner design or different features, but the details that matter are how the app works with your bank account, what it charges, and whether it fits your situation. Start by checking the app's fee structure. Some cash advance apps use optional tips, subscription plans, or fees for faster access to money. Review the full cost before accepting an advance, because the cheapest option depends on how you use the service. Next, check the approval process. Cash advance apps typically review information connected to your financial activity, such as account details and income patterns. A new app may have different requirements compared with an established one. If you have income from a job, freelance work, or gig platforms, check whether the app supports your type of earnings before signing up. Choosing an app that matches your income situation can save time during the application process. Another area to compare is how you receive your money. Some apps provide different transfer options, and faster delivery may come with an additional charge. Look at the available choices and decide whether speed is worth the extra cost. Security should also be part of your comparison. Before connecting your bank account, review the company information, privacy policy, and requested permissions. Only provide access to information that is necessary for the service to work. Finally, check repayment details. Understand when the money will be collected, how the repayment works, and whether the schedule fits your upcoming income. A good cash advance app comparison is not about finding the newest app with the most features. It is about finding the service with clear costs, understandable rules, and a process that matches your financial needs. Before trying any new cash advance app, compare 4 things: fees, approval requirements, transfer options, and repayment terms. To summarize, new cash advance apps can offer different features, but the important details are still cost, eligibility, security, and repayment. Review the terms before connecting your bank account or requesting money. If this guide helped you compare financial apps more clearly, like the video and subscribe for more practical money explanations.